Hey guys, welcome back to Local Matters. I am continuing my 7-part series today on what makes a marketing campaign high performing. Last week I kicked it off with the first part in the series, which we talked about customer research. Today I'm doing part 2, but before I get into that, if you guys catch this on the replay, please use #LocalReplay. All right, cool. I always forget to say that even though I put it on my sticky, so here we go. So today we're talking about step 2, which is the Facebook ad. So if you tuned in last week, you would know that we are using our customer research to help write our ad. That is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use their tribal language or their industry lingo or whatever it may be to write an ad that speaks directly to them. But we're also going to do a couple other things. We're going to absolutely make sure to use good spacing or white space to help it the ad be easy on the eyes, easy to read. We also want to use emojis or things that are going to help with pattern interrupt, right? So something that's bright and colorful and relevant to whatever you're talking about is very useful. We also want to use an attention-grabbing photo. Now this can be a great human-focused image, and I do suggest doing that if that makes sense. But if you're selling a product and there's not something that would be directly related to humans using it, then of course you can use something that's attention-grabbing for a product, okay? The last thing I wanted to mention that we want to do is within our ad, whenever you're going to have a link in your ad, you want to use shortened links and links that are familiar. If people see something that's a bunch of letters that's not something that looks recognizable to them, it might look suspicious or less trustworthy. I've seen this, I've tested it, and so that is another excellent tip for putting together our Facebook ad. I try to keep these down. I want these to be like 2-minute marketing tips. I should have brought a timer. I could go on, but basically today I covered the Facebook ad portion. I'd love it if you join me next week. I'll be talking part 3. I'm going to be talking about split testing. Don't freak out about it. Tune in, see what it's all about. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Join me next week, 3 p.m. Eastern, for another edition of Local Matters Live. See you guys then.